Hey, hey, what is up? My voice may sound a little bit raspy. I still am not 100% feeling better, mostly, but yeah, whatever I had or have, really took a hold of me. So anyway, I apologize for my voice. I hope you can hear me okay, but super exciting video today. Because I want to show you all my new planner. So I had said, that I was planning on making kind of like a seasonal version of my existing planner, and that is what I have to show you today. And I absolutely love how it turned out. So, ta-da! This is the seasonal undated budget planner, okay? And this time I decided to go with a glossy cover. I'm not sure if the camera is gonna pick that up or not, but just to kind of compare it to my previous planner, this is like a matte cover and this is like a shiny glossy cover. So again, not sure, how well the camera's gonna pick that up, but that's what I went with for this one. Now, I honestly really wasn't sure what kind of cover I wanted to do because it was seasonal. So I just kind of went with this, kind of just plain, colorful background, and I really like how it turned out. And so I'm just going to show you the inside. I'm not going to go into too much detail because this is the same exact planner as the neutral one. It is 195 pages. So it's good for a year or more, depending on how often you do your budget. But this one is just, geared towards the seasons or the holidays for each month. But it's the same content, the same pages inside and everything. So, inside the first page, again, just like the other planner, is a yearly goals sheet, and because these aren't geared towards any particular time, I just went with this like colorful background, blue and purple, kind of like ombre. Then you go into your monthly goals and then your expense categories. Again, this is all the exact same as the other planner. The only difference in this planner are the backgrounds. This one is obviously in full color. All right. And then we start with January. So January, I went with this blue snowflake background. I think it's super pretty. One thing about this planner is I did go super traditional in terms of the colors and the holidays and things like that. I know not everybody celebrates every holiday and whatever, but I did go with, very traditional backgrounds for these. Okay, so that's January. And then for February, we have hearts. Again, I know not everyone celebrates Valentine's Day or likes Valentine's Day, but I went with the heart background. Very simple but super cute. In this planner, I changed the font a little bit. I added a colored background just for a little bit more pop. So that's February. Then we move into March, which is the shamrocks. And then we have April, and for April, we have the umbrellas and the raindrops, April showers, so to speak. And then for May, we have these pretty rainbows. You know me, you know I love rainbows. And then we move into June, which is this striped background with the suns. Starting to get into warmer weather, at least here in my area of the US. And then we have for July this pool background with a little floaty tube and a little leaf here in the corner. I thought that was very cute for a summer month. Next we have August, which is this very fun and colorful popsicle background. And each page, because you know, each page is different, you kind of get a little bit more or a little bit of a different view of the background depending on which page you're on. So that's August. And then for September, I went with this leaf background. It has some acorns, some raindrops, some pumpkins there, very cute, pretty whimsical. So that is for September. October, I went with purple background with pumpkins and bats and ghosts. November, we have the pie and the spices here for November. And then last but not least, for December, we have Santa. Pink background with Santa, very cute, but not too like over the top Christmassy. And that's it. So once again, this is just an alternative to my other planner, just if you want something a little bit more fun and colorful. Here's the back. It's just my QR code to get to my YouTube channel. And so yeah, so just to quickly remind you about this planner, here's the inside of the neutral planner. It's just black and white, you know, and just, again, very neutral. This is just a more colorful, whimsical version. Now, as far as the price goes, this is priced at a little more. So this budget planner, I believe, is $12.99 or $13.99 on Amazon. This one is $20 because it costs much more to print, obviously because of the color. Amazon would not let me charge any less than like $15 and change, but I decided on $20 because I literally only make $2.81 on every one of these that is sold. So if you pay $20 for it, I make $2.81. So, you know, so just a note on that. I didn't want to price it so high that it was out of budget for people, but I still, even at $20, I think that's a great deal for a planner that you can use for an entire year or more. Okay, so pick your poison if you want, you know, a neutral version or a more colorful, more whimsical version. I know I will be using this colorful version because you all know I love the colors. It is the same paper inside as, you know, this planner, so keep that in mind. But yeah, I hope you all love it. So let me know what you think below. And then just as another reminder for all of the books that are available on Amazon right now, for me, we have the Undated Neutral Planner, we have the Undated Seasonal Planner, and then we also have my More Money, More Freedom Low Income Savings Challenge book. This is available on Amazon as well. They are all linked in my description box below, so if you're interested in picking any or all of these up, you know, click the link in the description box below. It will take you directly to the product page on Amazon. And if you have any questions about any of these books, of course, let me know below and I will be sure to answer them. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you love the new planner. And I hope you know, can find a planner that works for you, whether it's the neutral or the colorful version. So thank you so much for being here and coming along with me on my journey. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.